Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and this is a really cool one. I shot this at a Cars and Coffee at Sunrise Baptist Church this summer, and the owner was not around. It's a 1963 Chrysler 300. I think that's a 383. Check out those wheel covers, the badging, just an amazing car. And wait till you see the steering wheel. How you darn, man, that is cool. So it's a drop top, and you can see the cigarette lighter there in the back for the back passenger, and just the instrument cluster. You can see it's got the push button gear selector. So for you young guys, a lot of Chryslers in the 60s had push buttons, so you'd push, D for drive, 1 for first gear. And it's pretty wild. I think they stopped doing that in 65. I shot a 65 Plymouth earlier this summer as well. But just great lines. Check out those tail lights, the jet age. Then you have the center gas cap, and then those bumperettes on the rear bumper, the 300 badging right there on the deck lid. Just a great looking car. And that steering wheel is just off the hook. So unfortunately the owner was not around. I did talk to him afterwards. He didn't want to do a video, but I was able to shoot this one. Hope you enjoyed it.